On tonight's episode, we talk about E Revo.
And we've got some sweet trail footage. Welcome.
Episode 80.
80. We're 20 away from 100.
Yeah.
Holy macaronis.
He's Chris.
That's Aaron.
So tonight we have E Revo stuff to do.
Yeah, we're going to talk about that.
And we have some footage of the trails, you said?
Yeah, on Thursday when we were out on the trails for live,
Yeah.
I took a few videos of under the bridge and up a few hill climbs.
So if you don't watch our live, every Thursday it's 7 o'clock on or 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock, yeah. Well, I mean, it's 6, 6:30, I mean, somewhere in there. Yeah, if you don't watch that on Thursdays on Facebook, you probably should start. It's awesome.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
So here's some footage from that.
I'm going to stand over here, though.
No. Got it.
Wrong way.
Oh, no. Oh, I got it.
The
Don't
grass
worry.
is tricky, right? The grass is strong. I'm going to try to get up there and also hold my camera. Ooh, turn. Oh, it turns right there. Oh, I gotta pay attention.
No.
Oh!
No. No.
I look at the camera. I look at the camera for a second and I'm down.
Triple tumble.
Oh.
No fair. Ethan doesn't have any diff locks.
Yeah, but his diffs are locked though, right?
No. I don't think so, no.
It's a sport?
Yeah. That's
Yeah, then they're locked.
Are they locked?
Oh yeah, you just come to the schools.
Oh, did they?
Yep. Fully locked all the time. Otherwise it would be very...
You just gotta keep the momentum
Oh
going.
man, there's a hill right here or
Can't
something.
see. Oh, you tipped. I'm
gonna try to get up here and see what's going on. Oh,
Oh no!
oh here comes the race!
Get out of the way!
Oh, hit me!
Wait, where? I'm
No,
still good.
no, you're on your wheels.
Yeah, you are. Get out of my way! Get out of my way.
Holy moly!
Oh, there's a trench
That's what I was
there.
stuck on.
There's a trench there.
Oh, is there ever?
Oh no!
I'm just gonna reposition right here.
Oh, we're just gonna kill all our
What?
batteries right now.
My battery will last.
Oh!
Nope. Saved ya.
Thank you.
Everyone's back on their wheels. Oh, we got a roll over up there. I'm just gonna hold my position.
Get going, Trek.
I'm moving, man. Oh, there's a hill right here, dude. Slow and steady.
We have to chain gang this.
Slow and steady.
Slow and steady wins the race.
Did it. I made it to the top first.
Of course he did.
I did it.
I'm second to best.
Good job. Everyone made it though.
Oh, here it comes.
Well, almost everyone. There we
Not
go.
quite you.
You saved him.
Oh, I was the first one in reverse.
Now,
Oh no.
yeah, you got the idea. Yeah. Now we gotta come back down.
Exactly. Well, is this how you're coming down, Warren?
First one to the bottom wins.
First to the bottom wins? No, I win!
I lost. I went down in reverse. I got second place.
Oh,
I'll
that
take
was
it.
cool.
I'll take it. Oh! Front flips for days all the way down the hill, boys. Whoa! Oh, good flip. Right on.
Oh, that was awesome.
That's a steep hill. Cool. We made it up and we made it down.
Nice dodge, Ethan.
So yeah, as you see in that hill climb, we went up a hill, and then afterwards we went back down the hill, and then continued driving the trucks.
It was fun.
Yeah, like
It's a good time.
Hill, we climbed it.
Yeah, it was a good time.
Yeah, it was good.
So yeah, again, if you don't watch the Facebook Live videos, Thursday at about 6 o'clock, 6:30 Facebook Lives.
Yep.
You probably should go check it out. I highly recommend. It's a lot of fun. So we do trailing, we talk about new products coming out, reviewed products, all that sort of stuff. So it's kind of like this show, just sporadically on Thursdays doing different stuff.
Totally random.
Totally random.
Kind of.
It's kind of like how Chris lives his life. Totally random. We call him Mr. Random.
They call me Mr. Random.
Yes, what he said. We call him Mr. Random.
What?
Precisely. Okay, so let's talk about stuff.
Yeah, what do you got to talk about, Aaron?
We were going to talk about your E Revo.
Yeah, let's talk about it. What do you want to say about it?
Okay, did you install, by chance, like a 1/5 scale speed control on it?
Yeah, I sure did, boy.
So this is the Hobbywing Max 6 or Max 5?
Max 5.
Holy
No,
dime.
Max 6, sorry.
Oh, are you sure?
Yeah,
Yeah, okay.
Max 6. Yeah. Max 5 is way too big. That's X Max.
Yeah, it is X.
But yeah, this is the Max 6 from my XO1.
Yes.
Now, unfortunately, the XO1 motor did not fit because it hits the plate there. So yeah, it definitely has a lot more jam, a lot more torque. The battery life seems to be a little bit better, and temperatures are a little bit lower. Yeah, it's a nice little upgrade.
I like the maroon chassis. So
I know,
if you
right?
didn't see, Chris dyed his chassis from basic old Sendero gray
Yeah,
to maroon. I like the Sendero.
it was fun. I didn't spill any dye on my counter this time.
I don't believe you.
No, not one drop. We're good.
It was terrible because when he did his UDR cage in black,
I
he
spilled
has
some black
he
dyes.
has white cabinets,
I
black
spilled some
dye,
black.
white cabinets. It looks like Chris
Just get
dripped
some
death
paint. We're
everywhere.
good to go. And I also installed the original E Revo chassis braces.
That fits mint.
Yeah.
And you don't need the stock chassis brakes.
No,
to
you
go
don't,
out.
Curtis Broughton.
Oh, hashtag called out. Anyway, do you have any footage of this?
No.
Oh. Well, I thought.
It's spent a week broken.
Oh, that's
So
right.
I just recently fixed it, so I haven't had a chance to really get it out and really send it yet.
Fair enough. Well, on
Yeah.
next week's episode, we'll have
Yeah.
footage of this. Very nice.
Yeah.
Is there anything else we want to talk about? Oh, hey, I got something to talk about.
Traxxas has a 6x6.
You read my mind.
Ah.
Read my mind. So, Traxxas is new 6x6 Mercedes Benz.
Yes.
Pretty excited. So, the things that we can tell you are for sure going to be a thing.
It has 6 wheels and 3 axles and 1 servo. Well, 2 servos. 5 servos.
No, none of that's true.
Yeah, it has 5 servos. Because they're all locking diffs.
Yeah, but are both rear diffs going to be on the same locker? That we
Maybe.
don't know. So, I mean, it could have 4, could have 5.
How do they do that, though?
I mean, every single diff's going to lock. We know that for sure.
Yeah, because they need a whole new remote, right?
Correct.
Unless they just have them Y-split so that they both lock at the same time, but they're separate servos. That's what I'm assuming.
Maybe. Hard to say. I mean, until we unbox it, we
So
won't
I'm
really know.
assuming.
But, I mean, that's a big
Take
one.
bets.
It's going to be a longer chassis. The specifically
Really?
built chassis for the
I
TRX.
thought they used the same chassis length.
No, different chassis. And it's not like kind of chintzy like
Of
Axial
course
did.
they use a longer chassis.
But it's not chintzy like Axial did theirs.
They
Because
didn't
it is
use
in a frame
little
extension.
adapter plate?
Yeah.
Traxxas went and actually made their own
Yeah.
chassis?
New frame rails.
Ooh, that's
altogether.
weird, right? It's almost like that's quality.
Almost. It does have 2.2s on it.
Yep.
They look like beadlocks too, from what we see in the
Yes.
pictures, which is kind of sweet. Also, brand new 6x6 body, obviously. Another Mercedes though, which is kind of weird. I mean, it does look pretty
It's just a heavy-duty
Stout.
melt crawler.
correct. The price tag has been announced,
Yes.
like $629 American.
Mm-hmm.
So that's going to work out to be like $850 somewhere in there, $860. So
It's
it's going to
a
be
lot of truck, though. Like,
I mean, in comparison to the brand new like Mercedes G500,
it's got a whole
that's
nother axle compared to that.
650 bucks. Plus you get new axles, possibly a new servo, or another servo,
If you think about
possibly like a longer chassis, a new body. I mean,
Yeah.
there's a lot of stuff.
you're getting
that
a
you could
truck
get.
and a half.
Plus two more wheels and tires.
Yeah.
I mean, that's all the stuff that adds up, starts adding some cash,
yeah.
right?
Yeah.
I mean, it's going to be cool seeing what people start doing with that pass-through axle.
Oh, yeah.
Because it is going to be true six-wheel drive. It's
Yes.
not just going to be like the middle
And
axle.
the
just for
custom
looks.
builds that are going to come up front of it, too, are going to be awesome.
Man, I
having
think
that
like it'd be
pass-through.
sick to just build a deck, like have a cab and deck, and make it like a.
Should I
a
do
smaller
the
car.
Blazer and just put a little flatbed behind the rear bumper?
No, it's not big enough. You need to like do a 10 scale that has a big enough deck to hold another 10 scale.
Oh, wow.
That would be sick.
Fine.
Maybe that's our next project. Maybe like a 6-wheel drive, 6-wheel steer, flat deck, just beast.
Sounds violent.
It sounds like there's going to be a lot of wheels that steer and turn. That's precisely 2 more wheels to steer and 2 more wheels to turn.
That's more wheels turning than I've got.
Yeah, I only got 4, my friend.
I know.
Oh, shoot dang fart. But anyway, that is the end.
Yes.
Episode 80, Ultra RC Hobbies Show.
20 more, man.
20 more.
Holy moly.
20 more and we're raffling
What are you
off
due for
442.
Did you get that body painted up for yet?
It's on its way. I'm excited.
What color are you painting it?
It's obviously going to be Ultra colors. So red, white, and black.
I hate those colors.
Considering the guy that's wearing red, white, and black right now.
Shoot dang fart.
Hashtag trademark Dustin.
Got me.
Yeah. But yeah, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Mm-hmm.
Don't forget to ring that bell to get notifications when we drop new videos.
Yes.
So we don't just drop one every Friday. We had a couple unboxing videos the last couple weeks.
Mm-hmm.
And we also are going to start posting a little more of just footage too. That's just not for the show. So don't forget to check that out. Don't forget to follow him on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, RC Deeps. Don't forget to hit us up on all of our social media platforms, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Snapchat, Ultra RC Hobbies. Don't forget to check out our website,
UltraRCHobbies.com.
He's got her. He's been on her once, twice. And yeah, thank you again for tuning in and watching. We really do appreciate it. And we'll catch you on the next one.
Bye.
What he said.
I miss you.